Hello students, today we learn grade 8 topic chapter number 3 understanding quadrilaterals. Our teaching points: number 1 concept of quadrilateral, terms simple curve, simple closed curve, open curve and simple open curve. In the beginning, let's we understand the meaning of quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, you see, when we bifurcate this word, quadri means 4 and lateral means sides. 4 sides figure, that is known as quadrilateral. 4 sides figure say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is quadrilateral. Square, it is also quadrilateral. Trapezium, it is also quadrilateral. Rectangle, 4 sides, it is also quadrilateral. Okay students, let me understand some terms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 diagrams that you can observe. This diagram you see, it is a simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. This is open over from here. So it is open curve. Here this diagram, it is also closed curve. And this simple open curve. Let me differentiate this. Out of this 4 figure, you can analyze simple closed curve and simple open curve. They do not intersect. But in the case of these 2 figure, open curve and closed curve, here they intersect. Here also they intersect. Here also intersect. So this is the difference among these 4 figures. Let's try to understand another teaching point, polygon. First of all, we understand the word polygon. Let me separate this word. Poly means many and gon means sides. The minimum condition to draw polygon: number 1, it is simple closed curve and it is made up of line segments. You see, these all are the figure, geometrical figure. It is simple closed curve. First condition is satisfied. Next condition, it is made up of line segments. Triangle, it is made up of 3 line segments. Quadrilateral, it is made up of 4 line segment. Hexagonal, it is made up of 6 line segment. Pentagonal, it is made up of 5 line segments. Heptagonal, it is made up of 7 line segments. Octagonal, it is made up of 8 line segments. So here this triangle, it is a polygon. First polygon. Triangle is a first polygon having how many line segments? 3 line segments. 4 line segment means 4 means quadra. It is quadrilateral having 4 line segment. It is hexagonal having 6 line segment. It is pentagonal having 5 line segments. It is heptagonal having 7 line segments. It is octagonal having 8 line segments. Next point, different types of polygon. Here you can see there are 4 different type of polygon. Convex polygon, concave polygon, regular polygon and irregular polygon. Convex polygon, that we can draw square, hexagonal, rhombus, means simple closed curve. Here you see concave polygon. Like this way you can draw concave polygon. Regular polygon means all sides are equal. Triangle, hexagonal. This is which type of triangle having all sides are equal? Equilateral triangle. This is, so it is regular triangle, it is regular hexagonal. In case of irregular polygon, here you see the triangle where all the sides are different. So it is known as scalene triangle. Scalene triangle comes in irregular. Here this is quadrilateral. Here is also all sides are different. Now, another important difference between convex and concave polygon. In convex polygon, diagonals intersect each other internally. Where in the case of concave polygon, diagonals join from outer sides, outer points. Here you can see diagonals never intersect to each other because it is outside. Here diagonals intersect each other from inside. Next point, diagonals. Diagonals are formed by joining non-consecutive points joining. Now here the term non-consecutive. So first of all, let me know consecutive points means what? Say 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. These are the consecutive points. Say consecutive numbers, how we write? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. But 1 and 3, they are not consecutive. They are non-consecutive. Similarly, 2 and 4, they are non-consecutive. You see here, let this square having how many points? Vertex 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now the diagonals definition, as per definition of diagonals, diagonals are formed by joining non-consecutive points joining. Means suppose our point is here on point number 1, it should not be, we cannot draw like this way, but we draw 1 and 3 non-consecutive points. So we draw one diagonal over here, and suppose this is the point is there 2, then this is the non 2 then 3 will come, so it is a consecutive, but 2 then 4 means non-consecutive. So here another diagonals we can draw. So here 1 and 3 non-consecutive points, 2 and 4 non-consecutive points. Let's talk about this pentagonal. In pentagonal, how do we draw these diagonals? You see, suppose point is over here, then 1, not 2, but 1 and 3. So we draw 1 and 3. Suppose point here is there, 3 then not 4, but 3 and 5 non-consecutive points. So another diagonal. So if the point is here 5, then not after 5, then 1 will come, then 5 and 2, then 2, 2 and 4, then 4, 4 and 1. Like this way we can understand diagonals.